Every foolishness on accept at Jamaica. This is not godly, not Christian. Then no wonder why crime rate out of control. On support everything ungodly.
Right now we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. People, guess what go on now? Jamaicans are against Kanye West coming to Jamaica with his Sunday gospel service. Yes. Now, just recently, information came out that Kanye West will be coming to Jamaica with his Sunday Gospel service to be held tomorrow, yes, tomorrow, at the Emancipation Park. Now, information came out that one of his team members, which is Jamaican, suggested that Kanye takes the service to Jamaica as it was normally held in states in the US. This is the very first time the show will be coming to Jamaica, but Jamaicans just not having it. As you could see from the first screenshot where I show you in the beginning of this video, Jamaicans speaking out against it. Now, I have a couple screenshots for showing you exactly how Jamaicans are rebel against it. I want to take a look right now.
He's not welcome. We won't support this movement. Full time them stop mislead the people in the name of Christianity, one person commented. Another person also commented and said, I want to comment but me not even know what to say cause him a no Christian, him a no Rasta, him is a person who believes him is a creature. So why him a go come a place where people no foolish come try trick real black people? And look where it a keep to, over the burial ground, laugh out loud, stay far away Jamaican people.
What is what me talk about, peeps? Now, you should know that Scatterburrell and Mr. Vegas, who are firm non-believers of the Bible and the whole Jesus Christianity thing, wouldn't make something like this slip out and them not have nothing to say. Now, Scatterburrell and Mr. Vegas had this comment posted to Instagram. Let's take a look at that.
When them want to sell the biggest can to the world, them always start with Jamaica. Obviously, we the most gullible set of people in this region. Kanye, why you want to trick up my people them and further push them down the ignorance ladder is what Scatterburrell commented. Now Mr. Vegas never really said much, but Mr. Vegas had a little short comment and this is what he had to say. This ish is gonna be packed is all Mr. Vegas had to say. Jamaica has over 2,000 churches. We don't need any more fellowship to lead black people astray. Kanye West has the agenda to sell out his own people. He's playing church and it's a distraction and veil to block the consciousness of black people. And it's a test to see if you can see through all this foolery. No God will be coming out the sky with milk and honey to save us. The whites have been tricking us for years. Wake up and understand that melanin is power.
Now, people, with all those negative comments where Jamaicans are hurling at this whole event, me can tell you know this. Plenty Jamaicans will be turning out to that event just the same way. Nonetheless, whole heap of Jamaicans are going to turn out, whole heap of them are going to run there and scream, Kanye! Kanye! Yes. Watch a little clip here of how the crowd are screaming for Kanye when he will come through. This is exactly how some Jamaicans are going to be tomorrow night at Emancipation Park. Now, Minister Grange also confirmed that Kanye West will be hosting his Sunday service in Jamaica, and she also had a few more things to say.
Kanye West takes a Sunday service series to Jamaica. The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, the Honorable Olivia Grange, says all is set for the American rapper Kanye West to perform in Jamaica. I can confirm that Kanye West will take his pop-up Sunday service series to Kingston this Heroes Weekend, said Minister Grange. Sunday service is a series of gospel concerts that Kanye West has been hosting across the United States. Kanye West's Sunday service performance in Jamaica will take place on Friday, the 18th of October 2019 at Emancipation Park in New Kingston beginning at 7 p.m. Minister Grange noted that it is the first time that Kanye West will be hosting Sunday service outside of the United States, and he couldn't have chosen a better country than Jamaica. Minister Grange said the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport is pleased to facilitate Kanye West's performance in the country as it supports the government's program to establish Jamaica as the preferred destination for music and sports events. The Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports is working closely with the Jamaican Tourist Board, the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation and other government entities to ensure the success of the event.
Now for all who are going to run out tomorrow night and go check out Kanye West service, here we go on. Make sure say you get a little glimpse of how it's going to be. I'm going to show you that video here, you can watch it and pray it and get a good understanding of, what to expect. Is what I say. Check out Kanye West Sunday service, the gospel edition. Alright then viewers, you don't know the thing, go talk to me down in the comment section because I want to hear from you. What do you think about, Jamaicans rebelling against Kanye coming? Is it actually a good thing? Should they just leave the man alone, let the man come in or not? Talk to me down in the comment section, let me know what you think. You see what I say? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment and definitely don't forget to subscribe. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.